What's this in the road? The heck is that? Oh. Look at this character. You know, all the shop owners, they know all this, and yet they don't bin this very well, and yet it looks it's all messy. Yeah. I'm surprised the seagulls don't go into the shop. go in there and they order a burger. Give us the chips.
Are you actually hungry? Because I'm fucking starving. Should we go back? Yeah.
Look at that there. It says munchies. Munchies. What do you think? Hungry?
I like your cat. It's very cute.
Yeah. Don't eat him, please. Oh. Burger and fries. Burgers. Burgers.
Oh, mate.
Alright. You know, Bear Magic will be the only one interested in. So, get Magic out, he goes a bit, yeah. Pizzas, pepperoni. Oh. You like pizza, don't you, Bear? If there was maybe 1,000 seagulls down there, do you think it'd be something like... It's a movie, Bear, it's called Birds. You think they'll just go in and grab the burgers and pizzas?